Standard 5th. Subject Mathematics. Chapter 12. Perimeter and Area. Students, today we will learn formulas for the perimeter of a rectangle and perimeter of a square and solve the word problems by using these formulas. Now see, what is this figure called? This is a rectangle, and we know that the sum of the lengths of all the sides of a figure is called its perimeter. Now we will find out a formula for the perimeter. In a rectangle, this one is length and this is breadth of a rectangle. Now the perimeter of a rectangle is length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So here is perimeter is equal to length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Now opposite sides of a rectangle are of the same length. This side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. So the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to twice the length plus twice the breadth is equal to twice the length means 2 multiplied length plus twice the breadth means 2 multiplied breadth. So the formula of perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 multiply length plus 2 multiply breadth. Now example, the length of the rectangle below is 7 cm and its breadth 3 cm. Let us find its perimeter. Now solve this question by using this formula. So perimeter of a rectangle PQRS is equal to, formula is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Now see this rectangle. Here is length is 7 cm and breadth is 3 cm. So here 2 multiplied length is 7. So write here 7 plus breadth is 3. So write here 3. Now 2 7s are 14 plus 2 3s are 6 and 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. Therefore, the perimeter of the rectangle is 20 cm. Next, formula for the perimeter of a square. See this figure of a square, and here all the sides are equal. The lengths of all the sides of a square are equal, and the how many sides of a square? So there are 4 sides of a square. So therefore the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 times the length of one of its sides. So the formula of perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiplied the length of one side. Now we will solve the example by using this formula. See, the length of one side of a square is 6 cm. Find its perimeter. The perimeter of a square is 4 times the length of one side. Perimeter of a square 4 multiplied length of one side. This is the formula for perimeter of a square. Here is equal to 4 multiply. Length of one side is 6 cm. So write here 6. 4 6 are 24. Now the answer, therefore the perimeter of the square is 24 centimeter, because length in centimeter. So in answer we also write the 24 centimeter. Now we will solve the questions of problem set 49. Question 1. How much wire will be needed to make a rectangle 7 cm long and 4 cm wide? In this question, we will find out total length of wire to make a rectangle, which is 7 cm long, means length is 7 cm, and 4 cm wide means breadth is 4 cm. Now let's solve. Now according to the question, rectangle 7 cm long. So length of a rectangle is equal to 7 cm and 4 cm wide. It means breadth of a rectangle is equal to 4 cm. Now perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 multiply length plus 2 multiply breadth. So here write 2 multiplied length. How much length? 7 cm. So write here 7 plus 2 multiply breadth 4 centimeters. So write here 4. Now 2 sevens are 14. So write here 14 plus 2 fours are 8. So write here 8. Now 14 plus 8 is 22. Therefore 22 centimeter wire will be needed to make a rectangle. Question number 2. If the length of a rectangle is 20 meter and its width is 12 meter, what is its perimeter? In this question, length is 20 meter and width means breadth is 12 meter. Now we will find the perimeter of rectangle. Now the solution of this question, here length of a rectangle is equal to 20 meter is given. And width of a rectangle is given, and width means breadth. So breadth of a rectangle is equal to 12 meter is given in question. Now we will find out perimeter of rectangle, and perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied length plus 2 multiplied breadth. It is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle. Now put the values here. 2 multiply length is 20 meter, so here write 20 plus 2 multiply breadth is 12 meter, so here write 12. Now make the multiplication. You write 0 as it is and 2 2s are 4. Means 20 multiplied by 2 is 40 plus 12 2s are 24. Now make the addition. 40 plus 24 is 64. Therefore, perimeter of rectangle is 64 meter. Question number 3. Each side of a square is 9 meter long. Find its perimeter. Length of one side of square is equal to 9 meter given in the question. Now the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side of a square. This we can also write as a side. So 4 multiplied side, and 4 multiplied side means 4 multiplied 9. So 4 9s are 36. Here write 36. Therefore, the perimeter of square is 36 meter. Question 4. If we take 4 rounds around a field that is 160 meter long and 90 meter wide, what is the distance we walk in kilometers? Now in solution, according to the question, length of field is equal to 160 meter, breadth of field is equal to 90 meter. Now the formula, perimeter of rectangular field is equal to 2 multiply length is equal to 160. So write here 160 plus 2 multiply breadth, and breadth is equal to 90 meters. So here write 90. Now 2 multiplied with 160, 0 write as it is, and 16 2s are 32. So here is 320 plus. Now multiply 90 by 2, 0 write as it is, and 2 9s are 18. So here is 180. Now make the addition. 320 plus 180. 320 plus 180 is equal to 500, and unit is here meter, so write meter. If one round distance walked is equal to 500 meter, and we will find out distance for 4 rounds. So in 4 rounds distance walked is equal to this 500 meter multiplied with this 4. So here is 500 meter multiplied 4 is equal to 4 5s are 20 and this 2 zeros write as it is. So here is 2000 meter. Now according to the question, find the distance in kilometers. So here 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 2000 meter is equal to 2 kilometer. Therefore the distance walked in 4 rounds is 2 kilometer. Question 5. Sanju completes 12 rounds around a square park every day. If one side of the park is 120 meter, find out in kilometers and meters the distance that Sanju covers daily. According to the question, one side of the park is 120 meter. So length of one side is equal to 120 meter and park in square shape. So perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied length of one side. Here is 4 multiplied side is equal to 4 multiplied side is 120 meters. So write here 120 meter. Now make the multiplication 0 write as it is 12 4s are 48. So 480 meter. In one round distance covered by Sanju is equal to 480 meter. And now we will find out in 12 rounds. So in 12 rounds distance covered by Sanju is equal to 480 multiplied by 12. And after the multiplication we get 5760 meter. So in our question find out in kilometers and meters. So we will change in kilometers and meters. 5760 meters is equal to this 5 kilometer and this one is 760 meter. Therefore Sanju covers 5 kilometer 760 meters daily. Thank you.